What's up, guys? This is Nate here. I just want to do a little quick video. Went to the range today. It was pouring down rain, but the range I go to where I live is covered. So I was going to shoot my SIG, but I didn't because it was pouring down rain. I didn't want to walk out there and change the targets when it was coming down heavy. But I went ahead and I shot my Ruger LC9, and I'm shooting my Glock today, 17. And man, I want for all the people that are hating on this Ruger out there that say it's not accurate, you know, it doesn't feel right in my hands. It just takes some getting used to. You know, I'm a big guy. I got big hands, you know, and the first 100 rounds I put through this thing, you know, I couldn't hit a lick with it either. And I thought, man, this gun's kind of sucks, you know. Like I might have to get rid of it and get something else. But I've learned to grasp it in my hands. But it helps me more too is putting my whole finger instead of the tip. I usually shoot with just the tip of my finger. Putting my whole finger up like the middle part right there around the trigger and pulling back on it. That has improved my accuracy a lot with this thing. And I was hitting, you know, 2.5 inch and 3 inch groups with it today. After I finished off about 100 rounds, I went ahead and shot 50 more through it, and I got a lot better with it. So anybody that's got one or anybody that's hating on them, man, just give it a chance, man. You gotta get some practice in with them and figure out how it works, how to get the sights down and stuff. And but I mean, it can be fairly accurate. And this was at 15 yards today. I was doing this, so, and I was hitting the steel target at 50 yards, which is a silhouette steel target out there at the range. But I was hitting it at 50 yards, pinging it. So I got pretty good with it today. But just give it a chance, keep practicing with it. And let me know what you guys think. If anybody out there's got one, how their accuracy is on, and what makes you better at. Maybe they'll help me some more too. So appreciate it. See y'all later.